everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to ask you 3 questions. The first, who is the godfather of DevOps? The second, how any IT company is delivering their software very faster and smoothly. The third, what is DevOps? How DevOps changed the IT industry? If you don't know the answer, that's fine. This is what I am going to explain you in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, alright. So before answering those 3 questions, I want to introduce the core responsibility of the developer and operation team in any organization. So these are the 2 teams who are the core team, and they are basically responsible to deliver the software. So the developer teams have the responsibility to write the correct logic, write the backend and front-end code, compile the code into their system, and they are going to commit the same code into the source code management, which may be the GitHub. Again, the operation team have the responsibility to provision the server, install the software on top of it, deploy the code by taking the checkout of it, and monitor the application performance. Also, they are responsible to maintenance of that applications. So these are the 2 different responsibility of the 2 different core teams. Okay, but what happen if something is not working on the servers? So operation teams start pointing fingers to the developer team and they ask, hey, this is not working on my server, so looks like there is some issue with the code. Similarly, developer said, oh no, this can't be happen because this was working on my system, so it should work on your server as well. This looks like your server is not provisioned well, or maybe some issues with your server. So here we can easily see the lack of collaboration between the 2 teams. So let's take a pause and now let's discuss who resolved these issues and who is the godfather of DevOps. So here is the godfather of DevOps on my screen. His name is Patrick Devaux, a Belgian IT consultant. He is the man who invented the term DevOps to describe this new approach to software development and delivery. In 2009, he organized the first ever DevOps Day conference in Belgium. In this event, he invited developers and operation professionals to discuss the importance of collaboration, how collaboratively working style will improve the software delivery process. So coming to our question, what is DevOps? Well, according to Patrick Devaux, the godfather of DevOps, it's about creating a culture where development and operation teams work together in a harmony to deliver softwares and service quickly, reliably, and sustainably. In other words, DevOps is set of practice that combines software development team, dev team, and IT operation ops teams to improve collaborations, communications, and integrations between these 2 teams. It's about breaking down silos, automating repetitive tasks, and using feedback loops to continuously improve the way we design, build, test, and deliver softwares and services. DevOps is not just about tools or technology, it's about creating culture of trust, respect, and open communication between the teams. Since till now we are able to understand what is DevOps and who is the godfather of DevOps, so this is the time of our final question, which is how the organizations are able to deliver the softwares very efficiently and very quickly. So here you can see once the organizations are started using the DevOps culture in their system, then they have seen that the cross-functional team communication increases, which results of increase the productivity, faster delivery, and it also streamlines the process. It helps the organizations to deliver their software very faster, very efficiently, and quickly. So that's it for today's video on DevOps. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Remember, DevOps is a journey, not a destination. Start small, be patient, and keep learning. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.